Hello everyone. Today we shall try to understand two different terms. One is functional group and the other one is homologous series. So what is a functional group? It is an atom or group of atoms. Atom or group of atoms which determines the chemical properties of organic compound. So if you have an atom or group of atom and it is the one which is deciding the property of organic compound, then it is called as functional group. For example, OH is the functional group present in alcohols. COOH is the functional group present in carboxylic acids. So let us try to understand these two things. So I have a molecule called as methane. I think you have learnt about methane, ethane, propane, butane, etc. in your lower class. So this is methane. The other example what I am going to take is ethane. C2H6 is another example of alkenes. So if I remove one hydrogen from here, so minus one hydrogen, I get CH3. If I remove one hydrogen from C2H6, I will get C2H5. So one hydrogen has gone out. So I will bring in place of hydrogen, OH inside. Here in place of hydrogen, I am going to bring in one OH inside. So I have removed one hydrogen here. So now the properties of methane are totally different from the properties of this particular molecule, methyl alcohol. The properties of ethane are totally different from that of ethyl alcohol. So it is due to what? Is it due to this C2H5 CH3 or is it due to OH group present here? The properties are different because of the OH group present here. This C2H5 molecule is used as a beverage. Drunkards drink this particular alcohol, but C2H6 is used as a natural gas or it is used in LPG. Understood? There is lot of difference between this molecule and this particular molecule. Why there is difference? It is due to the functional group. Similarly, I have another molecule here, CH3, CH2, CH3COOH. So one hydrogen of methane is removed. So I get CH3 and I have replaced it by COOH group. Now the properties of methane are totally different from the properties of CH3COOH. It is gas, this is a liquid and it is also called as vinegar which is used in Chinese dishes. So these properties are determined by what? Your carbon and hydrogen or your functional group. It is the functional group. So how do I define functional group? It can be a single atom or it can be group of atoms like this which determine what? The chemical properties of the organic compound. Similarly, we have few other functional groups. For namesake, I shall show you here. CHO is the functional group of aldehydes. C double bond O is the functional group of ketones. So later on, we'll look into different types of functional groups. So we shall focus on the homologous series now. So what are homologous series? They are group of organic compounds. They are what? Group of organic compounds which have same functional group. What is common in them? Same functional group and they differ by CH2 group. They can be prepared by same methods of preparation, so on and so forth. So we will try to understand what do you mean by homologous series. In the lower class you have studied about alkanes. You have studied about alkenes. and alkynes. I think you have also studied alcohols, right? So we will just take up alkanes. What is the general formula of alkanes? CnH2n plus 2. When n is equal to 1, we get CH4. When n is equal to 1. When n is equal to 2, we get C2. 2 2s are 4 plus 2, 6. When n is equal to 3, what do we get? 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. So here, these group of molecules are called as homologous series. So alkanes is a group of molecules. Okay. They are group of organic compounds which in general are called as homologous series. So what is difference between, we will just try to see here, C3H8 minus C2H6. If you 3 minus 2 is 1. How many carbons are remaining? 1. 8 minus 6 is 2. So 2 hydrogen atoms are remaining. So we say they differ by CH2 group. Okay. So alkanes is one group of molecules. Okay. And in general they are called as homologous series. Similarly, we have alkenes, CnH2n. So first compound is C2H4. Second compound is C3H6. Third compound is C4H8. So all these are called as alkenes and in general they are called as homologous series. Hope you have understood, and each of these, they have same methods of preparation, almost same. They have the same functional group. So what is the functional group in alkenes? We take it as carbon-carbon double bond. What is the functional group in alkynes? It is carbon-carbon triple bond. Understood? What is the functional group in alcohols? It is OH. So in general, alcohols are written as ROH. So CnH2n plus 1 OH is the general formula of alcohol. So alcohols also, you have series of alcohols. Okay, and which belong to a homologous series called as alcohols. We can relate these homologous series to our daily life. For example, we belong to a family called as Kulkarni. So whoever belongs to that family have the surname Kulkarni. Here also, they alkanes are the organic molecules which belong to the family alkanes, and what is their address? CnH2n plus 2. What is the address of alkenes? CnH2n. What is the address of alkynes? CnH2n minus 2. What is the address of alcohol? CnH2n plus 1 OH. So they are homologous series. So birds are one homologous series. Fishes are one homologous series. And all their properties are almost similar. So are our homologous series. Done?